The Ram 1500 key fob uses a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery that typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Signs of a dying battery include unresponsive buttons or a no signal message on your dashboard. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool for the replacement. First, locate the seam on the fob, usually marked with a small notch. Gently insert the screwdriver into the notch and twist to open the fob. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing the circuit board. Snap the fob back together and test by pressing the buttons. If issues persist, reprogramming might be needed via your vehicle's settings by pressing and holding the lock/unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. Always use a CR2032 battery for your Ram key fob. Avoid cheaper alternatives like CR2025, which can cause voltage issues and shorten lifespan. After battery replacement, reprogramming might be needed. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds to reset the fob. Cold weather can significantly reduce key fob battery life. Batteries drain 20 to 30% faster in harsh climates. If you live in a climate with extreme temperatures, you may need to replace the battery more often to maintain functionality. DIY battery replacement saves significant cost compared to dealership service, averaging $75 per replacement. Automotive key technology is evolving towards rechargeable or battery-free systems in future Ram models, using smartphone apps or NFC-based digital keys. Don't forget to recycle your old batteries responsibly at designated drop-off locations to support environmental sustainability.